Welcome. Let's provide answer to this question under GCSE text paper for UK student grade 11, grade 10. So here is a triangle and a rectangle, this and this. All measurements are in centimeters. The area of the triangle is 18 centimeter greater than the area of the rectangle. We have to work out the value of x. So basically, we are employing the area of a rectangle and a triangle in connection with a word problem. So we need to know the area of this, the area of this. They are saying the area of this is bigger than this, meaning this is larger than this. If you subtract the 18 from this, you get this one. Or if you add 18 to this very one, the smaller one, you'll be getting hold of the bigger one. So those will be the equation we are going to deal with. So first thing first, we find area of what? Triangle. What is the formula? We know it's half base times the height. So half times the base times the height. What is the base? The base in this case will be 7. The height will be 5 what? X. So we have 35x divided by 2, going to be either your 17.5 or something. You can be able to get that. Well, that is the value of the area of the triangle. Then we deal with area of rectangle as length times breadth. So what will be the length? The longer side, 4. The breadth is 3x plus 1. We can expand this as well to have 4 times 3 will be 12x. 4 times 1 will be what? 4. So I can have 4 there. So this area plus 18 give us this. That's the concept. Or this minus the 18 will give us this. So from the question, we can say that 35x divided by 2 is equals to 12x plus 4 plus what? 18. If you add it to the smaller one, you get a bigger one. So I'll be having 35x divided by 2 equals to 12x plus 22. I guess our LCM here is going to be 2 because it's an equation that has a fraction. So you multiply both sides by the 2. That will be leaving us with 35x equals to 2 times this will be 24x. 2 times this will be giving us 244. Let's manage this space and see. We are going to be having grouping of like terms. 35x minus 24x equals to 44. You know, this is coming here to subtract. So if you subtract that, I believe you have 11, right? So 11x equals to 44 divided by 11. Our x will be equals to 4. So if all dimensions are 4 is just a factor, so you can get 4 or 4 centimeters. All right, so this is the value of the x that make this triangle have the area bigger than this by 18. You can also try by subtracting the 18 from this in order to arrive at this. You also have the same thing. I guess you understood the concept. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.